Hi guys, I know it's been such a long time since both Julia and I posted anything on this channel. It was mostly due to legal issues that were permitting us from not doing anything, and then of course our real lives caught up with this and we weren't able to continue to post anything on here for quite some time. Ultimately, going into the future, I'd love to post more videos with Julia on just our traveling and cool stuff like that. And eventually we will. At the moment though, we are back in a way. So I've been doing YouTube on a separate channel all about financial advice, and that's been starting to take off as well, very slowly. So if you're interested in any finance advice or just finance stuff in general, please go and check out my channel and hit the subscribe button. Julia has also started a little bit YouTube as well on her own separate channel, and she's doing things more related to the exploration of Australia. So her videos are a little less frequent than mine, as she's dealing with some health issues at the moment. So bear with her, but worth checking out. If you'd like to see more of Julia's stuff, check out her Instagram, because she's quite active on there at the moment, because it doesn't require too much time to post little short videos and things like that. So that's what we've been doing at the moment. Now, feel free to hit us up with any questions you have still, because we'd love to hear them and get back to you on that. So going forward, we will do some more travel videos for you guys coming into the future once we're able to travel again. Of course, the world is a new place at the moment, so that has restricted us somewhat. We did go on a trip to Airlie Beach recently, so there might be a possibility that I will stitch that together for you guys as well. All right, everyone, thanks very much. And if you can subscribe to our other channels, that would be greatly appreciated. Links will be in the description. See you in the next one.